Hi, my name is Nicole. Welcome to my channel, Miss Nicole. I am 37 and I reside in the STL, St. Louis, Missouri. So I have a fashion and lifestyle channel. My channel will consist of cooking tutorials. So here is the first one assembled. This is the spinach, the Italian sausage, the mushroom, and the onion. Try on hauls, thrift store hauls. A pair of brand new leg warmers, and I like this, $1.99. These are half off, they will be $2. These are half off, they will be $2. These are half off, they will be $1.50. This purse is half off, it will be $1.25. Grocery hauls, travel vlog. Hey people, oh, this is some good life for us, girl. Oh my God, you in that coral? Is that coral? Yes, to the coral. Regular vlogs, you name it, anything lifestyle and fashion related, it will be featured on my channel. I do outfits of the day videos, especially thrifted outfit. This top came from Goodwill. The brand is Worthington, and I love the stripes. I love how it's made in the front. It's that kind of crisscross. This was $3. My jeans, of course, y'all know I only rock Lane Bryant jeans. And my boots are the ones that I got from the Goodwill for $15. And some of those outfit of the day items will consist of a totally entire outfit from items from the thrift store. I love, love, love thrift shopping. So you all will see a lot of things on my channel about thrift shopping. I'm all about saving my coins. When I say save my coins, I love saving my coins. So anytime I go do any type of thrift or shopping hauls, I always show you all the best things that you can get for your money. I stay shopping in clearance sections, manager special items, and things like that. So my channel will consist of lifestyle, saving those coins. I do product reviews. I have reviewed products for Influencer. Also a few small business companies that I reached out to, they also send me some items. So I love reviewing products and giving my honest opinion. So to sum it up, my channel has everything. I hope you all, enjoy. Check out my channel, and if it's something that interests you, then please hit that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so you will be notified of all videos that I post on my channel. So again, I wanted to introduce myself. If you are new to my channel, welcome to Miss Nicole's channel. And if you are a loyal subscriber and a part of the Nikki Squad, then hey y'all, Happy New Year. So again, I do thank you all for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.